Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Silverado Man 61 here. Today we're bringing you a older pickup. It's in really stock condition and it's really nice. Somebody took really good care of this 65 Chevy C10, and it's I gotta say it's really nice. Stock condition. It's got a 292 engine in it. I believe that's a V8. They got the wood in the back of the deck here. It looks in the back of the bed. It's really nice. Comes with a cover. And they sprayed the inner fenders with the same color as the truck. And this thing's in really nice shape for a 65. Paint's beautiful on it. It's gotta be a recent paint job. I wish I could see the engine compartment on it. It's a beautiful truck, man. I think it's completely stock and everything. Don't see many of these on the road anymore. It's a long bed too, man. It's got a really long bed on it. But it looks really, really nice. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video. Leave your comments down below. It's greatly appreciated. I'm kind of liking the paint on this truck. It's starting to grow on me a little bit, this blue. In person it's a little bit more darker, but it's like a very well taken care of truck somebody had here. Guys, have a good one out there. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Everybody drive safe.